the King of Squats on this coming weekend. Thank you again for coming. Thank you again, Zane, for coming to Kenya. And it's a pleasure to host you. So welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, man.
All right. Thank you very much.
Jambo Kenya. My name is Nkululeko Dlamini, known as King of Squats. I appreciate to be here, and I want to thank you, Rumba Fitness and Standard Media, for inviting me here to do this event. And I want to thank here Sankara for welcoming us very well. And we're here to showcase my talent, what I have, and it's not about Nyash only. Nyash it's a part, ne? Yeah, so it's not about that. When we're doing the squat, we're doing the 45 degrees, not 90. 90 you do when you do your only thighs. But what we're doing right now, we're doing the core train. We call it core train. The exercise we're doing is dealing with the whole body, from the top to the bottom. So I want to thank everything they did for us, and I want to say to you, come on 21st September, Saturday, 9 a.m. Come there in Karin. They said it's waterfall, Karin. Come with numbers. You will see King of Squat. Right now, I'm not talking. I want to do the action, but I'm trying to talk right now, to speak. But come on 21st, then you will watch the real King of Squat.
Yo, it's a happy day. The King of Squat is here, man. Hey, you know they just think it's about the glutes and the squat. Show them some guns. Come on, show them some guns. Show them those arms. Look at that. Yeah. So guys, I just want to thank all of you for showing up this morning. We are super excited. Also, I just want to thank our sponsors for coming through. I want to appeal to all our clients. If you're out there, you're a Zumba lover, you love shaking, you love dancing, we're going to be having Zumba as well. But of course, the epitome of it all is going to be this guy, okay? So if you're there, sign up. Get your tickets today. Brother and your team, welcome to Kenya. Let's do this. All right. Karibu sana. Welcome. Cheers.